Good morning, student. I have started set theory and yesterday I have explained what is a set, representation of set, and way of writing set. Before that, I am going to explain about some type of number. About first one, natural number. What is a natural number? Actually, natural number are represented by capital letter N. The numbers started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, 6 and so on. That number are known as natural number. Next one, whole number. Whole number. What are the whole number? Whole number generally represented by capital letter W. The numbers started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That number are known as whole numbers. See that all the numbers I am writing in set in roster form. See that in roster form. Now integer. Next one, integers. Actually, integers are represented by capital letter Z or I. The numbers which are 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. These numbers are known as integers. See that 0 itself known as 0 integer. This one known as positive integer and this one known as negative integer. Means integer can be classified in three ways: positive integer, negative integer. 0 itself is an integer known as 0 integer. After that, you can see from here, all natural number is subset of whole number and all whole number is subset of integer. Means all integer can't be a whole number, all whole number can't be a natural number, but all natural number are whole number, all whole number are integer. Now next point, you can write on your copy this one. Next point I am going to explain rational number. Rational number. Rational number. The symbol of the rational number Q. This symbol you can find up to the higher classes, graduation and post graduation. Rational number can be defined as x such that x is equal to p by q for every pq belong to integer and q not equal to 0 and pq are co-prime. PQ are co-prime. Means any number which are written in the form of p by q. Suppose that as an example I am writing 2 by 3. Any number written in the form of p by q for every p and q belong to integer. Means 2 and 3 both are positive integer. Q not equal to 0. It means if denominator of any fraction will be 0, suppose 4 by 0, it is not defined. You already know that. This division is not possible, whereas 0 by 4 is equal to 0. You know this one. 0 by 4 is equal to 0, but 4 by 0 is not defined. So I have written P and Q belong to integer and Q not equal to 0. That is clear. Now P and Q P and Q are co-prime. You know what is the meaning of co-prime? Means two number having only one as a common factor. Suppose that if I am writing here 6 by 9, this is not a rational number. Why? Because 6 having common factor 6 by 9, 1 into 2 into 3, and here 1 into 3 into 3. 3 and 3 as a common factor. If two number having only one as a common factor, they are called co-prime number. Maybe one prime number and other one composite number. So this is not a rational number, this is a fraction, whereas 2 by 3 is a rational number. Some more example. Sir, see that, comma, minus 3 by 5, 2 by minus 5, 22 by 7, 0, etc. These numbers are known as rational number. Any number in a statement in your book given that one, any number which are written in the form of P by Q, for every PQ belong to integer, Q not in is equal to 0, only up to that given in your book. Q not equal to 0 known as rational number. But remember that P and Q are co-prime. That is a complete definition of the rational number. Now, irrational number. Irrational number. What do we mean by irrational number? Irrational number. It is written by Q bar. Q bar. Q bar defined as x such that x not belong to rational. Not belong to rational. Means any number which are not rational known as irrational number. What I say? Any number which are not belong to rational known as irrational number. Example, under root 3, 2 plus under root 5, 2 by 3 under root 7, pi, etc. These numbers are known as irrational number. Okay, any number which are not rational, that number are known as irrational number. I have given example here. Next point, real number. Real number. What do we mean by real number? Real number, all rational and irrational number known as real number. This is a sign of union. Union. You know the meaning of union? Means all rational and irrational number are known as real number. In this chapter set theory, I will use this term rational symbol, irrational symbol, rational, whole number, integer, natural number, and so on. Now I am going to give some question for you. Question: define the following with example. Following with example. Examples. Mostly you know that some definition. First one, even number. You have studied from 4th class. Second, odd number. Third one, prime number. Fourth one, composite number. Fifth one, co-prime number. Prime number. This 5 question define with following with example. Define the following with example. Even number, already you know that. the number which are divisible by 2 known as a prime number, even number. Odd number, the number which are not divisible by 2 known as odd number. Prime number, the number having only two factors known as prime number. Composite number, the number having more than two factors known as composite number. Co-prime number, two number having only one as a common factor known as co-prime number. My dear student, try to write the answer of this question. Now I am moving towards our chapter set theory. I had explained what is set, representation of set, way of writing set. I have given two way of writing set, roster form or tabular form. Second one, set builder or rule method. And I have given some question also. Now types of set. Types of set. First one, equal set. Equal set. See that. If two set A, you know the set is represented by capital letter A, B, C, T, dash, X, Y, Z and so on. Afterward, the element of set is written in a small letter in curly bracket A, B, C, D. And set B also A, B, C, D. See that all element of set A also element of set B. A, B, C, D. You know that A belongs to set A. You can say that A, B, C, D also belong to set A. If any element is K, that is not belong to set A. Meaning of this, not belong to, not element of. Suppose that if set A belong to set B, it means NA is equal to NB is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 4. What do we mean by NA? NA means cardinal number. Cardinal number. Cardinal number means number of the element in the particular set. See that NA is equal to NB, 4 elements are there. In set A also and set B also 4 elements. Okay. This so that set A is equal to set B. Means both are equal set and set A also equivalent to set B. Both are also equivalent set. Means all the element of set A also the element of set B. It's so that both are equal set and equivalent set. It means that all equal set are equivalent set. Now second one, equivalent set. Equivalent set. Second one, equivalent set. See that set A having elements A, B, C and set B having element 1, 2, 3. See that NA cardinal number is equal to NB, number of element in set A and set B both are equal. How many elements are there? 3 elements. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It means set A is equivalent to, this is sign of equivalent, set B, but set A not equal to set B. Why the set A not equal to set B? Because the elements are different. In equal set, both the in equal set the element of the both sets should be same. But in equivalent set, the number of element in both set should be same. See the set A, set B, how many elements? 3 elements. So both set are equivalent set. This is, I have explained only two type of set, equal and equivalent. My dear student, on page number in your book exercise set theory chapter 7, once you revise, only you read the types of the set, then this chapter will be very easy and very interesting for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.